Hey, what's up, everybody? The Show here, and today I am trying the chicken nuggets with the McDonald's sauce. Take, bite. Disgusting. No, but seriously, this ain't McDonald's. I'm sorry. McDonald's sauce.